Hi, friends. So we've just learned all about the parts of a pumpkin. And now I know we know the poem Five Little Pumpkins. So I thought we would do that poem. And then I was thinking, can we build a gate for five little pumpkins? So let's do our poem. Five little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "I don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "We're ready for some fun." Ooh went the wind and out went the lights, and five little pumpkins rolled out of sight. So now I've got some stuff that I can make a pumpkin gate with. Now I've got some stuff that I'm going to pretend are pumpkins. These are lids from drinks. I like Gatorades when I run. So these are my Gatorade drinks. And I've got blocks, and I've sent all of you guys blocks. So I'm going to make two different kinds of gates. So here's my first one. So I'm wondering, can I fit five pumpkins on here? 1, 2, 3. Oh no, that only fits 3. Can I maybe get 4? Oh, 4. Oh, well, that didn't work. Let's see. I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could fit them on like that. Let's see if there's another way I can do it. What if I stand them up like this? 1. And you guys try this at home too. Maybe there's a better way. Oh, what if I do 1 there? 1. Okay. Make my gate like this. And I do 1, 2, 3. Whoop, that didn't stay. I got to balance it. 3, 4, 5. Well, that worked. All right. You guys play with it and see if there are other ways to make your gate. I also have these bigger sticks. I could use my big sticks and these little sticks, and they would balance easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop, get back on there. 5. So, all right, so we can fit 5 little pumpkins on the gate. All right, now I have one more thing that I want to share with you guys. So I thought we could also see how tall we could make a ghost. That sounds pretty scary. So I was thinking that since our number is 10, we could use 10 cups and see if we can make our ghost at least 10 cups tall. So let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, now let's see if we can make our ghost at least 10 cups tall. All right, that's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how tall that's getting? All right, now what if I add 1 on each end? What if I do 1 there? Hard to see, isn't it? You see it now? All right, so I did one there. 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 I did make, oh, he needs some eyes. We need to draw some little eyes on him. But he is 10 cups tall. Let's see, we've got, how many on the bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3 on the second level. 1, 2 on the third level, and 1 on the top level. Now, I only sent you guys 10 cups, but I am wondering, can I make him even taller? I think I can. Okay. He's getting taller. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cups high. He's really tall. So if you have cups, more cups at your house, you could see if you could make your ghost taller and taller and taller. Oh, he's really big now and scary. Ooh. All right, friends, have a great day. I look forward to hearing all about your STEAM experiments. Bye.